Hey there all Q-tubers. Today I'm going to show you my version of the aluminum grill grates. Now grill grates have been around for a long time and they do a fabulous job. Everybody loves the way they sear a steak. They get excellent grill marks on the steaks and burgers, and they're really nice. They're aluminum. They heat up and they get super hot. They stay hot, and they're just a super efficient way to sear in a grill. Now the only thing is they're very expensive, and I've been holding off. I just can't do it. I can't spend that amount of money, because the other thing is, what fun is in that, just buying something? I wanted to make my own version. So what I got here is the Rock aluminum griddle, reversible grill and griddle. I've had one of these in the past, but this one here, it's gonna get mutilated. That's right. I'm gonna make my own aluminum grill grate, and as you can see, it's cooktop, oven, and barbecue safe. Okay, so what's it say? Up to 450. Oven safe up to 450. Well, we'll see how hot it gets in this this pellet grill. So yeah, and I got this at Costco for 20 bucks if anybody's interested. They don't always have these. I mean, you could look at online, but yeah, the Rock aluminum grill and griddle. And you know, there it is right there. Now for it to fit in this little tabletop pellet grill, I had to modify it, of course. As you can see, I cut the end. I love cutting stuff up. That's what I do. Mrs. HMB says I ruin everything. Well, I don't know if I ruined it, but just having fun here. But this aluminum is nice to work with, really nice to work with, and cuts pretty easy. It drills a lot easier, and as you can see, it doesn't leave any. It didn't chip the non-stick coating there. All right, so let's just put that there for temporary. Now let me take you into this CECAROL Tabletop Pellet Grill. Now, okay, what you could do is just set that griddle right on top of there. You see the design of the fire pot there. Well, I didn't want direct flame, okay? Direct heat, direct flame. I wanted sort of an even kind of distribution of the fire and the flame down there. So what I have here is my soon-to-be patent pending, not really, I'm just messing around, but this is my idea and my design. Shut up, dog. And this is my heat distribution flavorizer bar. It's my idea, my design. So what it's going to do, once you get the fire down there, hopefully, we will see, the flame is going to go and be evenly distributed to more surface of the griddle. Alright, so that's the plan right there. Alright, so what am I going to do here? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some cooking oil, and I'm going to put some cooking oil in the holes. I'm sure somebody's going to say, oh, that aluminum, it's going to do harm to you, it's toxic, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Don't do it. I'm having fun, I'm doing it, and I don't care about that. So, alright, let me get this fired up and a little bit of oil on there, and we'll see what happens. Alright, I got my fire started down in my fire pot. Actually, what I did is reached my hand in there, took out a scoop of pellets, threw them in there, and I used my torch because I ain't got time for all that, using that hot rod, all that nonsense. I just want to show you, they have this, I don't know, safety thing in here. I took that out because I just want to be able to push the pellets around. There's a barbecue brother out there, Scotty's Barbecue. He's got one of these CECAROLs, and he took his out, and I thought that was a great idea because pellets are going to start going down, and you want to just go like this, keep them piled up. It's real easy. Thanks for that, Scotty. That was a clever and cool idea. Alright, so we got our fire going. Just like that. See how that's shooting up, and that's gonna be not so good. So let's put my soon to be patent pending little flavorizer bar heat diverter. Now if I need another one, I could get another one, put another one on there. So let's see how that's gonna look, see how that's gonna work. It's kind of the idea. See what I'm going for there, people? See what I'm going for? I think that's gonna even out and distribute the flames a little bit better. So what do you think? That's heavy metal right there. Alright, so let me get that DIY grill grate on there. Alright, and see what it does. I put some cooking oil on the holes and on the end there. Alright, hold on. Look at that, I'm digging that. That's cool. Just like I planned it. Yep. Almost, kind of, sort of, right? Look at that. Alright, so that's how that's going to sit in there. It sits right on those tabs where the original grill grate sits. See that? See how that's cut? Cut perfect like that. And can you see how that flame is distributed evenly? Well, more evenly, I would think. I like this idea. You know, grill grates, they have the holes through it. So I guess that lets the grease drip down through and also some of the flame to shoot up through. And you know, with this non-stick coating on there, that's gonna be great for some nice smash burgers and doing some bacon or whatever, you know. But that's the idea right there. You know, I just put it on this flat surface there. Hold on, let me go get my infrared thermometer meter, and I want to see what kind of temps we get here. All right, hold on. All right, so after I just ran down the stairs and 450 already. Oh boy, 458. Oh man. Let me shut that off. I don't know what this thing's gonna do. Is it gonna explode in my face? Who knows? I'm gonna turn that off. Turn that off. I probably put too many pellets in there. But it's looking pretty good. 429, 450, 450. I don't want to get it too crazy hot right off the bat here. 415. Just let those die out a little bit, but yeah, that's my idea. That's my plan. DIY grill grate. Fits in there really nice. Alright, I'm happy with that. That'll work. Let's see. Yeah, 425, 398. That's pretty cool. So now all I need is some burgers or some steaks or something, and I'll be ready to go. Oh man, that's gonna be nice. Alright, so I could do it this side, or let me flip it over. Get the GrillGrate, the GrillGrate side. Hold on. Alright, so I flipped it over. So now you can get the grill mark side, you know, of the griddle. So, yep, that's the rock. Let's see what kind of temperature we're still holding. 294. You know, it's cold out here today. What is it? 41 degrees on the concrete there. Alright folks, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching Heavy Metal Style.